Can I say man, let's toast? I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Got another video here for you today. We are at the Surprise Honda Car Show. Yeah, so I want to show you guys the cars that are here. It's not as many as last time, but we do have a special guest here. So I want you to see that car, and it's right next to mine. So yeah, if you guys could please please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Let me show y'all what's going on. Got my daughter here. Lily, say hi.
Hi.
It's my daughter. She loves cars. She's just like daddy. Of course, there's mine. You guys seen that way too many times.
I'm like, I don't care. So as long as he ain't trying to fucking crash it. One of the guys here.
Championship white.
The whole thing? Yeah. But when you do that, you really want to get it placed and then have them put it on.
Bruce blue.
When they put it back in, a cop can't come in and try to. They're really tight over there.
Rally red with the TEs.
It's barely, they barely have a gap. Dang. They have a gap, but they don't. I had to cut it so it didn't have a gap. They were touching at first. Yeah.
Hey Nick,
what's up?
Do you want to talk about your car, man? Okay, here's the special guest, y'all. This is what I wanted to show you. So Nick's going to talk about his car.
It's been a long time coming.
Long time.
It's been broken most of the year. So.
And it's finally here, and it's finally done. Is it the camera? All right, Nick.
So to keep it short and simple, it's a built motor, Carrillo rods, tram pistons in the block, built head with Super Tech valves and springs, so I can rev it to 8,000. Rampage G30 900 turbo kit.
Let me get on that real quick.
It's a big boy.
Big boy.
PRL intake.
Yep.
Motec ECU, which this is a holy grail.
You hear that, y'all? Motec.
Motec. Stock fuel system, like I say, stock.
Stock.
It's got port injection though, so those are 1700s. Okay. So I have 8 injectors. And
Nick, tell the vlog what's your numbers, man.
I don't know my numbers, unfortunately. Okay. But it should be on the dyno.
So a light tune, probably like what, 485?
It's probably making 550, 600 right now. So.
Hear that?
Yeah.
550, 600 on a Type R. So you're going to be beating 360 Medinas then.
Yeah, we'll see.
On a good day with traction,
we'll
right?
We'll see, yeah.
That's incredible, man. Well, thank you very much, sir.
No problem.
Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. Thanks, man.
All right, man. That's Nick, y'all. Finally on the channel. It's a blessing. So let's go over here. So come in the road. What's going on, sir?
How you doing, sir?
Good, good. Guys on the phone. What's up, man?
How's it going, Nation?
Yes, sir. What's up, bro? All right, so we were over here at the Rally Red. He's got the HVI from PRO. He's got that titanium inlet. Looks like there's a wrap going on down there. Intercore, let's see. PRL, okay. As you guys seen Taz's car on the channel many times, right here. Lily's just following her daddy.
Hi, Jason.
There's Addie. Addie, say what's up to the channel.
What's up?
Say hey, Skylyfe.
Hello.
All right, this is Brent's car.
And his car is very, very cool.
Yes.
And he also has red seatbelts. And my mom's car is better than my dad's car is better than my mom's car.
He's got the new wheels from Vivid Racing. I told you these are sick. You guys look forged. Addie, you love your daddy's wheels?
Yep.
Yep. All right, that's it, guys. So another blue here. Got the red with the TEs, Rally Red. Not all these hoods are open, huh? These are sick. The Wed Sports. This is a 19. I was just talking to this guy. He's got a dope steering wheel. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. It's kind of hard to make out. Another SGP.
Everything. It derated the engine. I drove it. Drove it nice.
And of course, maybe stock. Got the raise. Nice. Another SGP. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna come over here. Got a nice NSX.
Yeah, I fucked them up because I was putting on the kit, you know, I took it off. I did not put any tape around.
The new ones are so hardy.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was gonna do the whole part if I was gonna do it.
Sick. Look at this S2000 now.
It makes it so you just basically just open it.
Yep, exactly. All the passwords are. I'm gonna do that eventually. Yeah. So now that I've done all that,
We're a supercharger.
yeah, we're super.
Wow, look at all that carbon fiber.
What I might suggest is get
All
yourself an
right,
engine
guys,
cover of
couple
Right.
more type bars over here.
rock that comes up and breaks that. You are gonna
This is Chase's, the black one, Black Pearl. Has a 27.1 exhaust on it. There. Here's Darian's. You guys seen this car many times on the channel. Show you again. He added some new stuff. And the interior right there, the R, it's so cool. Forged carbon right there. It's like a new shifter. Engine bay. PRL HVI. Titanium inlet. Split strut bar just like I have. Mishimoto oil catch can and Mishimoto overflow tank. Sick. Not good with the old Acuras, but I believe there is a B18 in this one. Well, probably a lot more than that. You guys tell me what this is. Probably butchering all that. I don't even know. I'm not good with the old Acuras or Honda. It's just the new one. Okay. Here. Lily. Come here, Lily. My daughter's looking at all the cars. Fascinated. RX-7. Power of rotary. Right? Wow. Nice. Beautiful. Another NSX. This guy was behind us, right, Lily? He was behind us driving up here. Yep, that was him. And then another S2000. There's a couple SIs over there, white one and a blue one. Not very familiar with the SIs. Yeah, all the Type R's in a line right there, y'all. So, anyways, it's kind of a light car show, guys, but I still wanted to give you some content here. So that's pretty much it. We're missing at least like 12 different Type R's that never showed up, so we're trying to figure out what's going on with that. I don't know if they went like to up north or whatever, but yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. More content is on the way. This is just a very light video, but if you guys did enjoy it, I'll see you next time. Much love and blessings, and always never ever hesitate for anything. You can do anything you put your mind to, okay? Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something, because anything is possible in this life as long as you make it possible. Much love, y'all. Skylyfe Projects.
Team, only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me, like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounding. Fill my cup up for the ones